Hey, what's going on, guys? Happy Friday. Welcome to week 15 of my portfolio review, where I go over my buys and sells as well as my gains and losses. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. As you can see, this week I cracked another milestone as I hit the $30,000 mark. This is the second week in a row that my portfolio has cracked a new milestone. As last week I cracked the $28,000 mark, and I shot right past the $29,000 mark, and I'm now sitting right in at $30,000. So today I gained $1,713.89, an additional $5.09 during the after hours trading. For the week, I'm up $1,755.25 at 6.1%. We'll talk about this a little bit. As you can see, this week I was basically trading flat as I had 2 red days and 3 positive days. The portfolio was trading very flat, and then today we had a huge breakout by 2 companies, and we'll go over that in a little bit. For the month, I'm up $2,401.40 at 8.42% growth. For the last 3 months, I'm up $6,413.85 at 26.15%. For the year, I'm at all-time highs at $9,267.87 at 42.77% growth. And I'm sitting at all-time highs for my all-time at $9,007.13 at 41.7%. So, for the buys and sells this week, I was able to pick up 8 shares of Bank of America, and I picked up 2 shares of Apple. Apple's average cost didn't change, however, Bank of America's did. I picked up Bank of America, I believe, on Tuesday or Wednesday. It didn't fall below my average cost. However, it was trading down that day. I believe it was one of these days. I think I got it at $28 and like 80 something cents. It did shoot my average cost up, as last week my average cost was $28.52. This week is now $28.61. But the company had one of the breakouts, as you can see. Just this chart looks exactly like my weekly chart. So Bank of America was one of the reasons why my portfolio broke out. As you can see, it had a big breakout, and the reason for that was JP Morgan had great earnings today, and it shot Bank of America up. So I'm very happy on the growth with Bank of America. And like I said, I brought 8 shares of Bank of America and 2 shares of Apple. So for the gains and losses, the big overall winner for me this week was Disney. Disney had a great performance today, as yesterday they announced they showed off a little bit of their Disney Plus streaming service, which will be rolling out November 12th. And they also told people the price target, as they will be their price target will be $6.99. So really undercutting Netflix's price of $9 to $13. So the stock market loved that price, and it showed today, as we have gotten some new investors and some pretty big buying volume. So for the gains and losses, last week I was only up $363 with Disney. This week I'm up $2,218.27. Comcast has some nice growth as well, as last week I was only up $559.36. This week I'm up $650.88. Bank of America, last week I was only up $11.78. This week I'm up $46.76. Aurora Cannabis, we lost some growth there, as last week I was up $1,607.39. This week, I'm only up $1,448.09. We also lost growth in Apple and CRF, as last week I was only down 135.56. This week I'm down 162.84. And CRF, last week I was down 151.60, and this week I'm down 166.75. So, going into the news, Comcast received a buy rating from a company for, I believe, a $44 price target, and there was another price target they also got for $49. And before the unveiling of the streaming service, Disney received, I'm going to put them up on the screen, I believe Monday and Tuesday, Cowan gave it an upgrade for a $144 price target, and I can't remember the second company, but they received two big upgrades. So that was basically four within the last 2 weeks, and I didn't know how the stock was going to trade after the streaming service, as Disney was down yesterday. It was down to like 116 or something like that, or 115. And this morning it just broke out, and it never looked back. After our pre-market, it was like up to $123. So Disney's streaming service will be available on November 12th for $6.99, and everybody's loving it. So I'm enjoying it. But that's basically. I really don't have any true news. As you can go anywhere and find that news on what's going on with Disney. If you guys want to follow my portfolio, you guys can look me up on TradeBase. The name is Biggest 1988. You can check out the buys and sells that I do through the week, as well as my previous trades. Like, for instance, it gives you my all-time sells that I've done. So, like, it highlights my Cron position that I sold off earlier this year. I had 129% gain off of that. I sold it for $2,493. It goes over my holdings. You're able to see my holdings and how I'm holding things. It shows you my gains and losses through the week. So you guys, I highly encourage you guys to check out the TradeBase app. It's very good. It has the winners and losers throughout the week and day. So for the people who are using TradeBase, I was the second biggest winner for today. So I can't be more happy about that. And it goes over, people's overall top performances and things like that. Just check it out. Um, One other thing, for the buys and sells next week, I will be looking at probably scalping some positions of Bank of America. If that doesn't work out, then it's sticking true. I'll probably be looking to get a position in Activision Blizzard before that starts to take off as well. But that's all the time I have for this week. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to just leave me a comment, and I'll reach out to you as soon as possible. Thanks for checking me out.